Hello, I'm Rich Dean with West Coast Collector Cars in Oregon. And today, I've got a beautifully restored 1958 Metropolitan to show you. Now, prior to 1957, they were Nash Metropolitan, and in 1957, they dropped the Nash and they became their own model. But this particular car originally finished in these colors, which is Berkshire Green and Frost White, and the paint is very nice on it. Look at that, nice shine. Base coat, clear coat. The white is nice on it. You can see a nice shine there. And the trim and bright work, the stainless, excellent all around. There's a little Metropolitan call out there. Wheels and tires, these are the stock original rims, obviously painted in the Berkshire Green with the hubcap with the M on it for Metropolitan, a little white wall radial there. Note the shut line here, nice, very even. Take you the interior. Interior finished in its original color combination of black and white, and nicely restored, and also reupholstered, and new foam as well. New carpeting, headliner, little visors there. Dash is excellent. Should point out everything on the car works. All the lights work. The heater works. The wipers work. Turn signals work. Horn works. Doors close nice and even. It's a 1500cc four-cylinder. It's original to the car. They were an Austin engine, and they were really producing somewhere around 52 horsepower, so I want to be careful there. But it's a really neat little car, and if you've ever decided or thought about, maybe getting one of these, like just to run around in, maybe do some car shows and stuff, it's perfect because it's very nice. Again, everything works, and everybody loves these things. They're great. They really are. Really cool little car. All the glass is nice in it. That nice wraparound back window. All the trim and weather stripping was replaced when the car was painted. Paint's been on it for many years, but really looks excellent. Of course, it's lived inside its entire life since its restoration. All the chrome back here is nice. Carrying the spare in a Continental kit style. Now, you'll notice no trunk lid. Well, they didn't really have a trunk with, well, I shouldn't say that. They do have a trunk, and what I'm getting at here is that you have to enter it from the interior, and I'm going to show you that here in a few minutes. But I'd like to take a moment to talk to you a little bit about the website, westcoastcollectorcars.com, where I've got pictures of the undercarriage of this car as well. Now, hasn't been extremely detailed under there or anything, but very clean, no rust, very dry, just looks good. Looks good under there. Look at this big exhaust slash cut tailpipe here. It does have newer exhaust on it, just so little. Very cool. Show you inside here. Nice dash. Here's the horn. Sounds like a horn's bigger than the car, I think. Little emergency brake works. Seat belts. Let me get back in here. I want to show you that compartment here real quick. You can see the luggage compartment back in there. So if you really wanted to carry some stuff, obviously you have that ability. Again, doors close nice. I should also point out, windows roll up and down easily. All the trim here is nice as well. All your whiskers and so forth, excellent. Doors close easily. You don't have to slam the door or anything. Up front here, your little Metropolitan M call out, excellent, as well as this nice stainless grille. Excellent condition. Your surround is nice, the chrome is excellent, as well as the bumper. Very nice. Let me show you the under the hood here. There's a prop rod that holds up the hood, but just for all intents and purposes of the video, I'll just go ahead and hold that up. But yeah, everything's very nice. New carburetor, new steering box. The suspension's been rebuilt, Coney shocks. I mean, it's really had a very nice little restoration. It's really an excellent little car. Very fun to drive. Engine rebuilt as well. Transmission is a standard transmission, 3 on the tree. Interesting, you know, for me, you know, I didn't realize this, but they're very short throw in the transmission. You know, we're kind of used to the old trucks and the old Chevys with the nice, you know, the 3 on the tree, but this one's like click, click, you know, real short. What I'd like to do now is I'll just hop in the Metro and just take it, start it, you'll hear it run. I'm just going to drive it around the parking lot a little bit so you kind of get a sense of what it looks like moving under its own power, and you can just kind of see that it drives really easy, very fun to drive, very cool, very unique. These are unique little cars. But yeah, let's go ahead and do that, and then we'll come back. Man, runs real smooth, everything works, all the lights work. Yeah, it's really a cool little car. And you may have been able to tell I wasn't fighting it to steer. It's got easy steering, but not only that, but it's got a very tight steering radius. So, I mean, this is a very small area, and of course, this being a small car, but still, you know, easy to turn around and so forth. The brakes work good. They've been rebuilt, new master cylinder and the whole 9. Emergency brake works good. Yeah, it's just, it's done. It's just a fun car, and anyone that that would own this car would surely enjoy it. It's really a neat little car. But if I can answer any further questions for you about this Metropolitan, don't hesitate to give me a call. Again, my name is Rich Dean, and this is West Coast Collector Cars. My number is 503-851-6763, and thank you for watching today.